Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, thank you for clicking onto this video, and if you're coming back to my channel, welcome back you guys. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how I make these ordinary looking flip-flops into fancy looking flip-flops. Now the first thing of course you're going to need is of course a pair of flip-flops, and basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to be placing these roses on top of the flip-flops just like that. And in order to do that, I need to hot glue it, so I'm just going to use my hot glue. And next I'm just going to be placing the rose on the slipper strap just on the top like that. And once that's been nicely placed, I'm going to be doing the same thing onto the next slipper of course. And again, there you go, this is how it looks like you guys. And the next step is of course to add in some rhinestone stickers onto these straps. Now you can get one of these rhinestone stickers from the dollar store or Dollar Tree. I have like a full pack, and I'm just going to be placing it onto the strap. And here you can see that it easily just sticks onto the strap, just like that. I'm just going to finish adding some more rhinestone stickers on there, and this is how it looks like. And this is how one pair of slippers looks like, and I'm going to be doing the same thing to the other pair. And the other pair looks like this. Honestly, they look so gorgeous, and especially during the summertime when we can't wear sneakers because of the hot weather, might as well just wear some nice looking flip-flops. Honestly, these came out so nice. I wasn't expecting these to come out so gorgeous. I'm definitely going to be wearing these. Now I'm just going to show you guys how they look once I wear them. And this is how it looks like, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Comment down below, let me know what other great videos you guys want me to make next. And also, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel. And also don't forget to hit that bell icon so you never miss a post. And I will see you guys very soon. Take care guys, stay safe, bye!